Okay, my alarm system's going off. Anyways, memory card, as I always have. So, the final clutch, whether it's number 3 or the 4th, I think I actually put it in 4 times. I don't know. But the final 3rd clutch goes in today. Count the number of times I say my favorite word, if you know what it is. I say it a lot, I guess. My wife told me. Frickin', 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 frickin'. I'm gonna try not to say frickin' anymore. We'll see if I can frickin' do it. You're gonna see some before and after pictures, and I'm gonna try and make it to a cruise night tonight, so maybe we'll have some images of that. All right, and that's it. All right, here goes. 3rd time's a charm. I enjoy doing this. Wow, Steve, what the hell did you do? Those things are never coming out. It's almost like you didn't want my drive shaft to come out. Oh, there we go. Oh, I don't have the frickin' tranny jack. Well, this is gonna suck. Whatever. I'll make do. You know what? After doing this like 3 times, I have a location and I keep all my bolts now. Oh, I need Loctite. I don't have any Loctite. Dang it. I'm missing everything. All right, the clutch is coming out again. 3rd time, we'll see if this works.
3rd time's a charm.
Yeah, what she said. There's my new clutch. Putting it in for the 3rd time. Here we go. Right, all these numbers are just a little bit different. Let's see, looks pretty much the same to me. So I thought of something, and I'm hoping right. I might have moved the linkage on this because I put the clutch in again, the right one, and I'm still having issues. I don't even know why. I've done a bunch of clutches. I don't know what's wrong with this one. I put a 5-speed in my other car. It's like, I know what I'm doing, kind of, I guess, maybe. No, this one's not working. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I'm going to check something on the linkage. Maybe I was stupid. We'll see. So I was thinking, maybe my linkage is not lined up. No, it's freaking lined up. What the hell is going on? I thought maybe that was the problem. And it was in 2 gears, but no, that ain't it. Okay, so I think I'm getting paranoid. All I have to do to that stupid clutch is adjust it a little bit more. I think I called a couple friends of mine. They're like, yeah, just adjust it and just get paranoid. Anyways, whatever. Like I said, I put a 5-speed transmission in the blue car over there. I blew it up, but whatever. It came out, what was it? Out of a newer Camaro. Newer than that. That worked fine. I had no issues. So when we last spoke, I didn't know what was wrong with the clutch. I was so nervous about the stupid thing that, yeah, I just needed to adjust it. It's amazing when you get the right clutch and put it in, and so I'll be driving it soon. Yeah, so I know I didn't make it, but if anything, trying to make it got me to get this car done. So usually I wouldn't have done it. I wouldn't have gotten this car done that fast. No way. No way. So it was a fun adventure. Glad we did it. And now we'll see what we can do next time. I'm not going to be a time crunch like this one, so it should be okay though. Okay, I think we're finally done. Got gas all over me. Anyways, all right, everything's fixed. Clutch, everything, fuel pump. Let's get it inspected. All right. Hopefully this is gonna be okay. Frank's new clutch. Finally. Going to get Frank inspected. Should pass. It needs nothing at this point, nothing. So hopefully it works out. Hopefully I make it there and back. We'll see. Just heard a really loud squeal. Don't know what the heck that was. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. This thing really makes a lot of noise in third gear. Growls and transmission. I don't know if that means anything. Fourth gear, it's nice and quiet. Third gear, growls like crazy. Who knows? Okay. We've arrived. We'll blow that out. In case he doesn't want me to tell anybody. Inspection station. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, Frank got a sticker, just drove it back. And I don't know, okay? I just don't. It drove the whole way. All the other ones were on there. I didn't notice a problem. I'm telling you, I'm not making this up. Unbelievable. I really get into my work. Sandblasting is fun. Well, Frank is finally done. He's finished. All done. Okay, so just in case you guys wanted to see this, the dramatic transformation of Frank. We have the before, and we have the after. What do you think? No, that's not the same picture. Okay, going to a cruise night in Candia. This is Frank's first time on the highway in a minute. Let's see how we can do. Well, we're on the highway. Doing okay so far. A little bit of a shake. All right, Frank made it to the Candia show. Finally.
Well, I know, we don't, that's what I mean, it's like, nobody tells anybody that.
Dean's leaving us. He don't want to play with us no more. There goes Dean. Now we're all alone. So, had I just had the right clutch, this car would have made it to Lake George. Oh my word. Freaky, I took it on the highway, drove great. You guys, I don't know how much I showed you, whatever. Unreal. Another day or two, if I had the right clutch, I would have freaking made it to Lake George. Anyways, but whatever. It got me to get the car done. I love the car. It's great. Frank's done. Series is over. That's it. No more Frank. That's it. And had it been an automatic car, I would have cut it apart in a second. Wouldn't even have been a second thought had this been an automatic. But that's it, Frank. Thank you. We had fun with you. We had a great time. There we go. That's the day. That's it. All we got. Bye-bye. Got my memory card for the end. Okay, guys. Frank is finally done. That's it. Sheila is next. That will be the Trans Am I'm doing next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? What the hell?
Help!
What the heck? How long you been in there?
Tell them to comment what they want to see next on the video so we can get going on the next project. Do you have any water?